Hi gardening spirit boosters, welcome to the channel. I hope that my balcony gardening will inspire you to want to garden too. Look, it looked like the peas trying to get a flower. I don't know. What is that, y'all? It's a cluster of them in there. See that thing right there? My little pepper is still the same. That weed, I gotta pull it out. This pepper plant. Let's see. I hope this, when I say pepper plant, I hope that this is a bell pepper plant. I don't see no signs of peppers on this one. I don't know, y'all. It look like this plant, so it is a pepper plant. The pea plant is climbing up. See it going up the trestle. Try to pull the leaves over so you can see what's going on down here. See something growing. Look like the beginning of some food on this pea plant. I'm about to break my neck, y'all. I got to get up. Oops. Look at the green onion flower. Want to seed the green onion. So all those seeds in there. Can y'all recognize the leaves on this plant right here? Do y'all think this is a tomato plant? Tomalita. It doesn't look like a regular tomato. I don't think this is a sunflower. I don't know, I forgot. Yeah, I forget everything. You know, getting on people's nerves, but that's too bad. I just forget. Signs fall off. These leaves right here, this is the avocado tree right here. I'm about to get another plant rack and rearrange this stuff. I still haven't put this in a different pot. This succulent right here, it's hanging over. It's probably gonna break. Look at my herb back there. Only one made it. Hopefully it stay alive. That's all. Just wanted to show that pea plant and the pepper plant update. I'll be back, you guys. Hey guys, look at here. This is something I got from Temu. This is about one of the only things that actually works. A lot of the stuff I get that I have gotten from Temu is extremely small and it's like nothing but trinket junk. But I guess it's all up to everybody what you want. But this is one of the something that works well. I'm gonna show y'all how it works. But I get disappointed shopping on Temu because you think it's something is 6-7 inches, and when it get to your home, the item is not but an inch and a half. This on the other side of the bottle. This thing look like it's about 10 inches tall and about 4-5 inches wide. And you see the pump right there. You pump it, ouch. pump it like that, and then the handle, you will press this button right here on top, that button right there, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like when it comes out. See the water spraying out, and it sprays for quite a while too. Good spray. Good for if you have arthritis or something, your hands hurt. You just press that button right where my thumb is pressing, and just let your plants have it. So yes, this is a good product. So far, it ain't broke yet. And when the water get low, you just simply, you know, pump it again, like a roach sprayer. So this is pretty good. I come out here and spray my little plants. Good stream of water. See that? So this is like a small review on this product I got from Temu. A lot of frogs I got from Temu too. They were okay to me. But a lot of that stuff, it was up to your own discretion. See in the background, you guys. Let me go get this. That plant right there. Did that look tomato-ish? I do like it's gonna be a flower. Mystery plant, Miss Janita again. What can it be? It's getting pretty big. Let's find out in a little bit. All right, I just came through. Let me make it small again. Share with y'all this product here. Let's see if the name is on it. I don't know, that's the name it got on there. Okay, guys, I'm out on this situation. Thanks for your time and support.